I want to share a tip on how to use a pendulum to make the chakras visible. Hold the pendulum over the center of the chakra and ask the pendulum, please show me the swing of Mary Beth's solar plexus chakra. Thank you. If you stare at the point of the pendulum, it won't swing. As soon as you look away, it will start to swing. What's interesting is the way the chakras are different from each other. Now that one I can feel is swinging more elliptically. And this one, let's see how this one's swinging. The heart chakra. That's more like the solar plexus chakra. So we know now that this is the chakra that needs to be adjusted because the swing was this way and not this way. To check the root chakra, hold the pendulum here in this space between the upper legs. To check the crown chakra, hold the pendulum here at the crown chakra, just beyond the physical body, and you'll see the swing of the crown chakra. The secret is in how you hold the pendulum. You hold it very lightly between the thumb and the finger, and you make sure that the shoulder is down and the elbow is relaxed, and not that you're holding like this, because this will interfere with the swing of the pendulum. So that's the key. Soft and relaxed, and the pendulum will start to swing on its own, picking up the vibration from the energy field.